In this video, I'll guide you through how to save Google Docs on desktop. Whether you want a backup, need to share a file outside of Google Drive, or just prefer to keep documents on your computer, I'll walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that your document is open in Google Docs. You can do this in any modern web browser. Go to the Google Docs homepage, open your document from your list of recent files, or create a new one. Take a moment to confirm that everything in your document looks the way you want it to, because whatever is on the screen is what will be saved to your computer. Once your document is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the File menu. This is part of the menu bar that runs along the top of the Google Docs interface. Click on the word File. A long drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options. In that menu, move your mouse down until you see the option labeled Download. When you hover over Download, another list will appear to the side, showing all the different formats you can save your document as. This is where you choose the type of file you want on your desktop. You'll see several choices here. The most common ones are Microsoft Word, which uses the .docx format, and PDF, which stands for Portable Document Format. If you plan to edit the document later in Microsoft Word or share it with someone who uses Word, choose the Word option. If you want a file that's easy to view and print and that looks the same on almost any device, choose PDF. There may be other formats listed too, such as plain text or rich text, but for most people, Word and PDF are the most useful. Click on the format that best fits what you need. As soon as you click, your browser will start downloading the file. Depending on your browser settings, one of two things will usually happen. Either the file will automatically download to your default downloads folder, or a window will pop up asking where you want to save the file. If a window appears asking you to choose a location, this is where you'll select your desktop. In the left-hand sidebar of the Save window, look for Desktop and click on it. You can also change the file name here if you want to make it easier to recognize later. Once you've chosen Desktop and confirmed the name, click Save. The file will be saved directly to your desktop. If no window appears and the file just downloads automatically, you can still move it to your desktop. Open your Downloads folder, find the file you just saved, then drag and drop it onto your desktop. This gives you quick access without needing to open your browser or Google Drive. After the download is complete, minimize your browser and look at your desktop. You should now see the document there in the format you selected. You can double-click it to open it in the appropriate program, such as a PDF viewer or Microsoft Word, and verify that everything looks correct. That's all you need to do. You've successfully saved your Google Docs file